expression, we can consider a tower of height is, what is it, h. So okay, can consider one body, it is thrown vertically upwards and reach to the ground. Okay, so covering distance is x in upward direction, here x in same downward, and up to here this is h, equivalent to the height of tower. If you are, what is it, measuring the distances in up, taken as, what is it, plus, measuring the distance in down, consider as minus, right? So net displacement covered is equal displacements covered, that is equal to plus x. Okay, next minus x from projection point, therefore minus h, therefore s is equal minus h. Here body is thrown vertically up, condition u is equal to u, against the gravity a minus g. So according to this equation of motion, so what is that, s is equal ut plus half at square, where minus of h is equal, what is that, ut minus half gt square, h is equal minus of ut plus half gt square, h is equal to half gt square minus of ut. This is tower height expression. Next related problem, continue. So a stone is dropped from balloon is rising up with acceleration g by 8 meter per second square after 8 seconds. Find the time taken to reach ground. Okay, so for example, we can consider a balloon. Here stone is connected with them. Now this balloon, it is raising up to height, what is it, h, assume. Now the, what is it, balloon position, stone is dropped from here, stone it is releases, what is the time taken value. Okay, this is balloon. Then what is the time taken to reach this ground? Here this is similar to this height of the tower. This concept similar to height of tower expression. Okay, height of tower expression, that is h is equal to half gt square minus of, what is that, ut. Okay, here auxiliary, we will calculate h value and u value, then we will get the time. Okay, so first we are measuring this height, from what height the stone will be dropping. Therefore you know the formula, s is equal to, what is that, ut plus half at square, freely falling, s is equal to h, u0, a is equal to g by 8, t is equal to 8. Then these conditions substituting them, h is equal to 1 by 8 g by 8 into 8 square, here 1 by 2 g by 8 into 8 into 8, 2 1 ja 2 4 ja, therefore 4g. This is falling height. stone fallen height. Velocity, with which velocity it is comes down, right? V is equal to u plus at, right? So V is equal to 0, really falling, u 0, a is equal to g by 8, t is equal to 8, therefore 0 plus g by 8 into 8, 88 cancel, V is equal to g, right? So height equation, height value and velocity value are measured meter by second, right? Then these values can be substituted into this equation. For g is equal half g t square minus half g into t. 4 into g, that is equal to g 1 by 2 t square minus half t, g get cancel, cross multiplication 4 t square minus half 2t divided by 2, take into left side, 8 is equal t square minus half 2t, okay, t square minus half 2t minus what is that, 8, it is equal to 0. Then this quadratic equation expression can be solved, then finally result we will be getting as t square minus half, what is that, 8 can be written as 4 into 2, 4t plus 2t minus half 8 equal to 0, t minus half 4 plus 2 into t minus half 4 is equal to 0, therefore t minus half 4, okay, here t is equal to 4 seconds, t is equal minus 2 seconds, therefore 4 seconds time taken is equal to 4 seconds.